Yeah, got a package here. Just say. Yep. Probably saw that. There it is. Papers. I'll keep the box too. You might notice it looks familiar. That's because it's a Honeywell CD200. See, and that almost sounded like that stock fire alarm or fire engine sound effect. You know, here's the lights. And two little girls with a dollhouse. Just see it there. Oh, it is right there. I thought there was one where it didn't get installed. It actually came in a couple days earlier than I thought it would. There we go. The box. The seller had two of these that he listed, one after the other. I got this one, and then multiple alarms and fans. Finish got the other one. So expect a video of his pretty soon. Took a little while, didn't it, engine one? So I wonder if there's the Honeywell under there. Yeah, like I said, for all intents and purposes, it's a CD200. In fact, if you open it, it's actually UL listed. The one both alarms fans is getting doesn't have that. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it has this label on it. Boing! So they just slapped this label over the CD200s. I'm not even sure what the model number of this is. They have their own model number. There's your manual. Look at that. Or maybe it's not the manual, maybe it's just a little brochure. Your mounting hardware. Registration. And what's that? No, it looks like it has a manual. If I can get it open here. Again, if you want to read, just pause. That one doesn't even have the labels on it. And again, here's the lies again. Not this, but right up here. It doesn't tell you how to. It doesn't tell you how to install it. Really. Oh, here. Way at the end. And there's the back, the guarantee. Again, like I said, I'm not sure what their model number was, but they just keep it as CD200. Let's see. Let's see if I can find it anywhere in this literature. Oh, here's the battery. Ugh. Bad shape. Class model number. Yeah, I don't think it really tells you the model number. I don't think it said on the box either anywhere. Oh, there. 1377. So we'll just call it that. Here's the inside again. Of course, if you've seen a Honeywell CD200, you already know what it looks like. See if I can get that. Where'd that label go? There it is. I was wondering what that was because I saw it up here in the listing. Probably gonna pop off again. All right. Grab a battery. I wonder if it's gonna chirp at me. There we go. There it went. Took a little while, but there it went. Do it again. About as high as normal Honeywells. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It says press test just like a normal CD200. So as I've mentioned before, I'd also like to have the Montgomery Ward version. Be on the lookout for that. And of course, the CD400. It is kind of interesting how long this took, because like on my older ones, it was almost instantaneous. The one my sister Gail had in her townhouse, I told you about that. When they tested it, was like instant. Instead of this. But it's still cool though. Let's see if there's anything on the back. I don't think there is. Nope. So there you go, folks. Pifco British smoke alarm. Sorry if I offended anyone from the UK there, but you know, it's like Canada. Heck in Canada, eh? What are you talking about? Anyway, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.